In this video, we will use the map content object reposition to top method to take a layer and move to the top of the web map layer list. So open up the map content reposition to top.py script from the web map settings folder. The map content object also has a reposition to top method that will take a layer and move it to the top of the list in the web map. Reposition to top method takes a single parameter, and that is an index, the index of the layer that you wish to move to the top. First, access ArcGIS Online using our GIS class and supplying our home string. And we'll assign our GIS object to a variable called AGOL. Then use our GIS object content manager get method, supplying the web map item ID, which I'll paste in now. The get method will return an item object that will assign to a variable called web map item. Use our web map item and create a map object in the map class that will assign to a variable called web map. We then have our get layer index by name, where we can supply in the web map item and the layer name and return the index of that layer in the web map. If the layer name is not found, none is returned. Our NIAH layer currently sits second in our web map list, and we want to move it above the county boundaries. We first get the index of the layer, so we use our get layer index by name function. We supply in our web map item, and the layer name we are interested in is our National Inventory of Architectural Heritage. If the layer index has been found, then we are calling the map object content property, which is our map content object, and the reposition to top method, supplying in our layer index as the index parameter. Because we are directly updating a map object, we need to call our map object update method to commit the change. We'll assign the calling of the update method to a variable called status and print status to screen. Let's run the script. The script is complete. Let's head over to ArcGIS Online and check out the result. Here we have the current state of our web map. Our NIAH layer sits below our county boundary layer. Now watch what happens when I refresh the map. Our NIAH layer is now repositioned to the top of the web map layers.